just to emphasize in my prophecy. I'm a man nebu maramao. Let me remove my eyeglass. First of all, I want to also thank my governor for taking my advice. Remember, I was in the mountain 3 days ago. I made a post. I said, any native doctor that lands, my governor should do what? Arrest the native doctor. I posted the video. You can go and watch it. It's 3 days. Remember that I'm the one that Akwa Okuko gave 4 days. 2022, February 4th. And war break out, the whole world was watching how Akwa will defeat me. I told you people, I have destroyed the power of Oke-Ite. You know, you don't know what is called spiritual. Now, many people, like the pastor that died, they brought in my church, in our praise synagogue, Aborado branch. That was last year. The man died about 3 years ago, but he was living. Just the other day, in a more he came and now they died. They brought the person to my place before I traveled to the program I did last year. So I prayed for the person and he came back to life. Now, glory be to God. When I told you I've destroyed the power of Oke-Ite, people thought I joke. If I told you I rejected billion from a Akwa kingdom to 7 Igbo, you thought I joke. If I say I rejected America, UK, different countries just to 7 Igbo, I'm not saying it for you to believe me. I'm saying it because this is my assignment. I was sent for Anambra State, Igbo State, Igbo, the Aframs. I am Igbo Liberation Prophet. I am the only prophet that will all give offer. I will reject. How many prophets can reject billion to save their people? How many prophets will reject many countries? No man at your visa. And your visa anymore reject here just to 7 Igbo. In 2018, we have started fighting this battle. This is my 35 years in spirituality and ministry. God ask question. First Sabbatarian church in Igbo was established by me and my brother in 1990. We shall celebrate 35 years this year. This is my 20 years. I was shot 7 bullets. So what I'm doing now is just to fulfill my destiny. I know they fear anybody. Do it and do it. No pastor can try it. No native doctor can even try it. You know the truth. But why I'm doing this thing is not because of the game. I even lost followers. I lost everything. They asked my people like J-Pack. They did everything. Both governors could work together. No, remember that no matter what they do, don't forget that J-Pack and the governors were behind Akwa Okuko. That's why I can never see them talk about Akwa Okuko. Now, what is this idiot they call governors who was busy talking about Agonala Tugo or whatever. Instead for you to focus on Akwa Okuko kidnapping, it's calling another person. Do we tell you that they will not practice traditional Igbo land? We know about if somebody owe you money, they'll go is your own business. They are being like that for Kida. What we are against now, killing somebody that didn't do anything, using somebody for Oke-Ite, doing evil and destroying our youth, putting them into believing that many of them have run mad. I have evidence. I know they made a talk. We have many people. The guy that came to Onitsha was mad, and what I delivered him. We have evidence. I know they talk, Brabba talk. If governor put composition today now, all the pastor came out, all the native doctor come and do healing. That's why I say, when governors should arrest one person now, have you seen Mazidibia mainland again? Do you see idiot to Dibia? Now, is they are the one that give this guy, give Akwa Okuko morale and make it to do that video. Because you're a fool. In this kind of thing, Oke-Ite, he said that Akwa Okuko hide your way. A one thing I'm marker. This match did that caused this thing that happened to Akwa Okuko. Because Mazidibia begin to challenge the governor. Come out and talk, okay? Banga Mazidibia. It was ranting. Is that ranting that give Akwa morale to go and make a fresh video? Akwa say it's not on his page. Who did the video? The video is not on your page. Who did the video? It was you. Can you make the video? In a governor, way you again, doesn't have also other people are running. As in a Vunkama Kara statement. You have done destroy many way. And then you hide. You want to prove. That is what he did. That caused me and you fight. The reason why me and Akwa Okuko fight because he said he's giving pastor power. If any pastor talk, he will die within 4 days. I say, you're the mad. And everyone was afraid of him. JPAC was busy promoting him everywhere. When I talk about it, JPAC bans on me. I never know. I said, who is this guy? Who is this idiot? Who is this bafu? Then I was in this art. I looked so tattered. They don't know who I am. I had my identity. Let me tell you now. I am the one that lost my identity. The reason I lost my identity, I will tell you now. I don't want anybody to know who I am, so I can be able to do work of God. And they see some pastors go carry Nollywood. Now we be Nollywood king. Now me be Nollywood inspiration. God ask question. Now me be Nollywood inspiration. Now we make Nollywood who Nollywood is. Now we be the ginger way they hear. Now me be Nollywood. No be say now me be Nollywood inspiration. Who say now he let him come out? All those when they hear Nollywood bing. Now we ginger up. The kind of movie I've done in Nollywood, nobody can do it. Go and bring your movie and let us see. Nobody can shoot movie like End of Money. That I featured us. That movie cost over 20 million naira. That was about 21 years ago. Then we have never think of seeing 1 million naira in your account. Most of the guy look for work. You tell the guy look for work. They tell your brother look for it. It isn't my age. What I'm doing in 2004, 2005 is what the video they are doing today. You see, I posted my Range Rover. How many of you have drawn those Range Rover? If you think it's boys, it's to come and make mouth, you think he can stand my level. All those ones, I hide my identity to do the work of God. That's why I changed my name. I answer David Yahweh. And if I answer this, they don't know it's me. So I want to come out with something that I know myself, and I'll be able to prove it. I want to prove to people that choosing one, I'm choosing one. Yeah, if I go to anywhere today, I can change my name, I will come out strong. When I came to Nollywood, I have A to Z because I arrived to I came to music industry with Don Supremo. Don Supremo are the one that bring out people like J. Martins, Dr. Mighty, Sky B. That is Don Supremo. I am the same person. You think so today? You want to come and do street for me? They threaten your papa. So I go do. We go shoot you. If you kill, if I do you know that video that I say? If I shoot you spiritual, you know, enter. We go come for you physical. That is it. When they try to assassinate me, that's what he said. I'll not make one video. Then they now ask question. That's where I review who I am. When they now ask question, who I be, all of them begin to run. Why do you think Ebukobi no go fit arrest me? He no go fit. Ebukobi can try it. I'll finish him. He can't. Listen very well. Arresting people can turn two ways. Now, if you know your rights and be on justice and still hold ground, it's hard for people to arrest you. If you speak the truth, I know still hold your ground, people will arrest you. Why? Because you're not your chef. So when you come to Nigeria now, I recognize both if you Google my name on the internet, years back, who we be now? Not be to make mouth. Now the time to tell who we be, because of those were the things that will just come from window. This is my 35 years in the ministry, spirituality. If you see me, the cut reef, people were there for Canada go heal. People were there for America go heal. People were there for America, UK go and cut it. Go and cut it. Cut the reef. God bless you. God bless you. Go and cut it. Now, when you talk about Igbo tradition, both to Million Willow, both to Mazdibiao, both Ekehito, both all those ones, so you're not doing Igbo tradition. None of you. What you're doing, you're Mame Water worshipper, goddess worshipper. That is not Igbo tradition, because the same goddess you worship, if you come to Lagos, we have a Yameja, the Yoruba worship. They have a Usukwa, the Yoruba worship. They have Shango, the Yoruba worship. They are not God. They are foreign angels. Now, when you come to Igbo land, they'll have like, even somebody is not recognized. The somebody is recognized because of propaganda and the promotion using social media. If we want to talk about deity, sound and mafia, we'll talk about Arosi Okeja, which is not, it's Arosi of justice. There's Ndonabo and Onman Mego something. We know that one as Arosi of justice, Arosi Okeja. Not now, before. That's why it was very, very powerful. Then I know we innocent people. They will know Habago. Habago is the deity that Ndocha Buru. I want to tell you, so you don't think who is talking to you is a kid. In the spirituality, Manarosio, Manamomilio, Manaechukuo, I pass all of you all. I can command your summary to work against you. That is how powerful I am. Try it. In fact, many would have tried me. Nothing. Matthias have tried me. Nothing. Agumbo have sent me I destroy it. Akwa Okuko has sent me arrows. I knew that Jesus, first of all, try me. Because when I came out, they thought I just came out empty. Before all of you will come out on social media and begin to talk about native doctor, who can talk about native doctor? Even after Jesus that talk about native doctor died, that time fear was everywhere. I am the one that liberated people like Igbo. These are my disciples. They came out from me. People like Ezugo, Global TV, those that came out from me. Governor Ezioku, those are people that came out from me. If you are not coming out from me, show me the video in Make 2020. All the bloggers, both what they call Victor, all of you, there is my word they had and they liberated them. That's what they call power. Power is how many people they impart. If he says not right, from Governor Ezioku to come out and show me video in May 2022, just 2 years back, show me. You don't have. You only came out 2023. All of you came out of social media. They even begin to attack me just to get followers. After everything, why do you think JPAC the bank? And one that Power JPAC and Akwa Okuko, why do you think emergency travel they did? That was to Dubai. It's because of me. When they tried everything they could not do, Chedunwadike died. Anytime I remember Chedunwadike, it's JPAC that made that guy die. I'm here to prove it. Any way I can prove it. Because Chedunwadike was having kidney problem, which I healed the kidney problem. And JPAC went to collect 1 million. How much from Akwa Okuko I brought? So if you look at, that is when me and Akwa Okuko was fighting. I said, God said, I am a jealous God. He cannot use me to do game. I remove myself. Another sickness developed from Chedunwadike after they brought money. I said, use the money and cure the person. Let's see. And Chedunwadike died. They ran away. It was JPAC that claimed and they shared the money with them. You can hear it. It was asking for percentage. Immediately arrest 20-something million naira from Chedunwadike. It's me that started the fundraising because then everybody was afraid. Hey, it's a homosexual. It's this one. Nobody want to take stand. And one that I don't care. It's like when I went to Onye's Jesus' house. Onye's is not my friend. But for what happened to you, you feel remorse. Like Akwa Okuko on now. When they kidnapped Akwa Okuko, before all of us prayed, I prayed for him. He now came out. But instead for him to amend this way, he continued again. I was even angry when I saw this video that I made recently. How can you make this kind of video? You want to challenge that, or you want to challenge my governor that he can't do nothing. That's what you try. That's Mazliba started it. Since that I said that, why Mazliba not the talk? No, Mazliba in a rant. Since the Emperor arrest, come out and make video. He could not do video. You're telling us about China. You're telling us about Ethiopia. He useless idiot. In a teach. Teach us about Igbo men and not in a Bible when Bible. Because Bible is fake, Abi. What are you talking about? Leave the Bible. First your tradition. Did you go to Israel? In Israel, and accusing about Igbo men. Forget about what happened to Israel. Israel, their God is Yeshua, Yahweh, and Yeshua. So it's not your own God. So first your Amadioha and your Arosi and your Roku. You're telling us about God of Israel. You are failed in administration. These are people that they never receive Christ. They never have a encounter. They came to church because of the money. That's why when there's no money, all of them are running back to Abraham. They are 419 criminals. How will you know that? Anybody that started native doctor less than 10 years is a criminal. All of you. You're a criminal. Reason why? What happened to your early age? See, let me tell you. From the childhood, you will know that you're called. Like Akwa Okuko was, I think it was started when he was small, but people dismissed him. Akwa used to do one kind thing. Oh, this Oke-Ite now. JPAC, the one that brought this 419 to him. Where better face? It's where better face that destroy Akwa Okuko. He begin to package him, give him the idea, this one. And they promote evil, We are talking about it. Do you know how many threats? The whole Nigeria, the whole Igbo people threatening me. I stand. Go on. If I have that video, I am the worst. There is a comment. If you see comments waiting for my page, you go wrong. Everybody, comment. Ndokana against me. Because people was thinking Akwa Okuko is doing Igbo tradition. And then, I am not normally come on social media. I only just once I post because then I came back from Oka. Now I'm in Oka. My things are still there. If you go to Oka, I made a mountain there. I came back 2020, 2018, 19, 16. 2016 when God sent me to Anambra State. I was there 2016, 17, 18, 19, 20. I came back because of COVID-19. Okay? So, Akwa Okuko arrest is normal thing. I've been arrested before for truth. If you prove you're innocent, you come out. If you don't prove you're innocent, you go to jail. That is it. Whether they talk and say, nobody, even Ebukobi can be arrested. Just know it. Anybody can be arrested. Governor too can be arrested. Anybody can be arrested. Now if I say, it's a who told you? All the escorts that Akwa used to carry, all of them, if you do nonsense, they arrest you, put you inside prison. That's why I ask for protection of God. Because when I was shot, if I have escorts, they will kill all of them. If I have escorts, they will kill all of them. Because those people that came to assassinate me, they prepare very well. People that came from Okija to Lagos then, that was in 2005. If you remember today. So today, death no there for my body. I was shot like almost 3 times. Even when I want to buy land in Onitsha, 2003. In Anyesh, I was shot. I was locked and they put inside, but I jumped out. They shot me and ran away. So we have testimony that if you say it's a lie because I did not die. Why will you say my testimony? Is it your testimony? It's not your testimony. If I tell you I am the one that came to Anambra and changed all this thing that happened, I say it's lie. Why you know feed and sins? No, it's not me, it's you. Not be 3 days ago, I make a video, I say, Governor Toruto, anyone, any native doctor that rant nonsense, speaking against your rule law, arrest him. Why will you come out and do that kind of video? And now you they do Oke-Ite. No, so about all so other people around me, they claim, say, oh yeah, go and answer a question. Akwa is not my enemy. He can never be my friend. My only anger is why will you be destroying my people? We're on our own. They give you a format. Format they give you, I know it's JPAC and the governor was with you then. They give you a format. You should come out because they saw Onye Jesus. Onye Jesus doesn't know God. I'm sorry to say that. But he may be repented now because of what he said. I did not go to Onye Jesus to mock him or to do this. I just go there to sympathize with him. He's my brother. And I wanted to tell him, Mr. Man, fire is coming. Repent. That's what I went there to do. When I get to Onye Jesus' house, his brother wife was sick. I prayed for him. Onye Jesus is not my friend. Let him come out and tell me that healing that I've healed, that her brother and sister is not true. It's not real. I never performed fake miracle. I am the prophet that bring government, bring anybody, put lawyer, bring all the native doctor, put the word of force inside one place. I'll prove myself. And I'm the first prophet that said on the phone, healed thousands of people. I'm in Lagos there because of somebody from America. So to be in the East. Yes, I have a visitor last 2 weeks. That's why I came to Lagos. So we cannot, you because of fake pastor or fake native doctor, can't talk say there's no spirituality. People like Matthias, what can you learn from Matthias? Jesus is fake every day. Jesus, we know those things. Mazin can preach about fake Jesus. Zeus, which is the truth. I preach about it. Not today. From far back, we know Sabbath preach about don't believe in Jesus. Sabbath believe Judaism. They call Yeshua and Yahweh. They don't call Jesus. It's me that always calling Jesus just to carry people along. Because I've done Sabbath, I've done Pentecostal, so I'm trying to carry people along. But the true name is not Jesus. Jesus is a Greek goddess called Zeus. So if Matthias say Jesus is fake, it's true, it's fake. Good. But that doesn't make you to say God cannot heal. God may not heal all the sickness, but the spirituality, no hospital in the world can cure spiritual sickness. I have evidence that if you go to this my page, you see somebody that visited from America. Is it one naira to come from America to Nigeria to see somebody? Somebody that could spend almost 10 million naira come to Nigeria to see somebody. And he said, no, they work. The person came and do testimony. Man, you decrease. The girl have entered Rumba for spiritual problem, no solution. He's a medical doctor. Witches are beating her every night. Something happened to her 4 years. She was pregnant and they beat the baby out. When I do the prayer finish, the strongest man in the village died. Where from where his Anambra woman married to death. There's one rule the people don't enter. The man died. I saw house, where's house for? I said somebody would die. The man died. So when I said I fought war in first and second heaven, you thought I'm joking, but the videos are there. If I say don't worship Mary, because worshiping Mary, we know I believe in Mary more than you, but her name is Maria, mother of Yeshua. Is different from Mary, mother of Zeus, where they worship. It's not the same. That one you worship as Mary is called Queen of Heaven. Maybe if I say now, I cannot come and speak as favor, and I know to do favor. That's why there's not much follower. Because if you look at my preaching, it doesn't favor anybody. And you don't need to favor you. It cannot favor Christian, it cannot favor traditional people. It will stand on the truth. Now, you that are doing tradition, you will come and casket against pastor this, pastor that. But how many times have you come out and tell us about fake native doctors and the fake is the wine? You will not talk about it. But once on your camera, pastors are this, pastors are this. We will so have so good. If they don't get good pastor, I am among them. I will prove it. I bet you that are doing as wine, you that are doing native, they cannot prove what you practice. Go to how can prove it? AK hit is on the bush running. AK hit on the it's on the bush running. Okay, Okongwu, what is portraying you? Okongwu should be there between Nigeria and Seme. I saw one video they make. God bless you. Okongwu is now on his way to Benin. Okay, let us pray this video. Then why would Akwa deny a whole Oke-Ite? Igbo. How can Akwa? Oh my Akwa. Share the telecast. Any useless native doctor that rant again, arrest you and put it inside jail. Share this telecast. Governor Soludo, I'm here to tell you that. Please share. Keep sharing. They are reporting my page. Maslibe and the million are reporting my page. Making noise without power. I rejected America because of this year's Nani Buddha 2025. It's part of the kidnappers. Anybody rant, any native doctor that rant. So Rudo, arrest him and put him inside prison. He can't do nothing. Anybody that stand against his security, you are evil. And the government should arrest you and put you inside prison. Since you know that the native doctor name evil, how many of them has he arrested and bring it to the book? Kidnapper will make an arrest. Can you fact the make an arrest? Share the telecast. Everyone saw the human and Igbo. Uno do busy, kid the viewer, go teach you Kadibia. Since him around one day they may your job. How many of you native doctor they may your job? Or is one they may your job? Kids get a cargo, popta, go see I and up on dojo. Oke-Ite. Onye ọbụla na-agbaziri n'ọgwụ ọsọ, onye ọbụla na-agbaziri Oke-Ite ọsọ. Na-eme ebe a, ana m agwa Oke-Ite na o nwere ọgwụ m a na-agwọrọ. Keep planting. The video that is going viral is not my page that I post it. And the law. Akwa Okuko say no be your page to post the video. They ask you a question. Video where they go viral, who do it? No be you, Akwa. And I mean do it. Why did you do it? Because I'm a Oke-Ite. Simple question. So Joe, I just say This Oke-Ite you're talking about, K4K, man, and I deny saying that will be your page. Now, who do one? Can you do and send that to your boss to post now? I do all nonsense. You don't enter. No, I'm going to save you this time. How many of you know that doctor onye ọbụla na-agbazi na-eme ebe a ana m agwa Oke-Ite na onwere ọgwụ m a na-agwọrọ. The video that is going viral is not my page that I post the video. And the law, you say you know about the law. I hear about Oke-Ite. I know the since when I hear not my page, it's here, nothing like that. Okay, you have already stopped it because they say Oke-Ite do this, okay, I just stop it. But that Oke-Ite, now we give them that Oke-Ite will not be in a name. Oke-Ite now is not away. But now because they are one, they day for what? So gentlemen, we are going to push forward. We must. So we want to see those things. Okay? We want to even see where you do these things. And then the evidence that what you're doing. And then even your shop. Okay? And that is what they must. I'm on the first Oke-Ite. Failure to get all these things. Of course, you know the consequences. I would like to do it. So get the team ready. We'll investigate it first. That's at this point. Good move. For now, nobody should talk. I'm not even practicing Christianity. I'm practicing Judaism. But whatever my governor says now is right. Because of the evil. They Judaism. Christian. They are Christian. All of us, we are all Christians. Your father accepted Christianity. So let us join. Now, somebody say, today is working against tradition. All of us were traditional people. What you're doing, you're doing occult. You're doing evil. You're doing mormon. You're not doing Igbo tradition. Nobody fighting Igbo tradition. If you want to talk about tradition and Judaism, I used to practice Christianity. I know they practice Christianity. I practice Judaism. Judaism are the original covenant, which is God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. We are the Israelites. This useless what's the deal? They come and teach you another thing. So he can believe them to follow them to worship mormon. Since you are born, you know that in Igbo Israel. So how come you useless small boy of yesterday is turning your head upside down, manipulating your mind, believing you follow them to believe Igbo are not Israel? If you go to Only, you will see the staff of Moses, David is there. Don't worry, if I come to Anambra, I will go there this time to visit and show you. Ndị Igbo mụọ nwa na 8 days ebe you with the same circumcision is what Israel is practicing. Israel believe in one true God, Yahweh, which in Igbo is called Chukwu, which is in Yoruba is called Orua, in Hausa is called Allah. That is one true God. Every other God is counterfeit. Tell me, you come and if you go and read one place in the Bible or online, you come and use it to capitalize. Ekwensu is deities of war, but it's not God warrior. Ebe na Igbo enwere nwancha mama ịwata, enwere agụ mkpo, enwere ọfịa mmiri ụmụlele, enwere listing haba agụrụ, enwere ezu agụrụ. Ezu agụrụ now, let me tell you. It's my phone. I lost my phone. If not, I video. I wanted to start editing all those things. Ezu agụrụ came as a man, and they gave him that land. He turned to water. That is when the same all those deities came. The one in my village were pursue that one. Many people I see that they are doing all those things. The many of them now, both they one of them and why most of them they call them. But because they cannot wait patiently, and because of the things of this world, they cannot wait upon God, because to serve God is not easy. You know what you don't see? Somebody will come and compare me with Akwana. Even that time you will see where I fight. Akwa is not that rich, but you can see how rich he is now. But it's easy to compare. I told, did I tell you I came here for this? I came here to win souls. I rejected billion. You know the here answer I rejected billion. So if it's money I do for, I don't go reject money. I don't reject more than 4 cars. Prado, different cars. So no, they compare me with him back with Akwa or Ebukobi. We are not in the same. We are not in the same thing at all. Me and Ebukobi know they worship the same God. Ebukobi they worship Mary, Queen of Heaven. I worship Chukwu, which is Yahweh, one true God. So know the differences. We are not here to come and tell you, oh, this one. No. This is where I came for 2 things. 2 things I come. I did not come to build church up and down. That's why I don't even. I came to this one doing now. It's what I will do. Like I'm so happy this year. This is one of my happy because it's called Battle is Over. You know, remember this picture I put here is called The Battle is Over. It's January I wrote it. Between me and Akwa Okuko, I know that he will go down. Battle is over. Because Akwa Okuko is one that brought all those things that happen. J-Park is behind the mastermind. That is the same thing he went to do to Ebukobi. Join them and do 419 everywhere. Scattered everything for them. And they hacked my page. When they are there, they are bouncing, shouting. Later they start arresting themselves. You can't see the way they arrested Ogechi. If you think they have never tried to arrest me, the day they try to arrest me is the day they arrest J-Park. Ask him, he knows. Another day they try, one problem happened to them. Problem. That one make Ebukobi long to go to Italy. Why do you think Ebukobi long to Italy without telling anybody? Problem was too much. I am the one. I told them, you hear from me. They see, if he say, no be somebody there behind what's in the happen, you are a liar. There's something spiritual. Me and you know that something happens before this is happened. Why you know that happens since? Everybody was caged inside Anambra State. I entered Anambra State, I dismantled everything. You know, because you don't see me carry crowd like Ebuka or carry crowd like Mbaka or like Bemonso. No mean say power, no day. It is that I want to have a power. How many people Elijah carry the waka? A Rome. How many people Jesus carry the waka? A Rome. All these powerful men, Samson, all of them walked alone because they have extra force that help them. So that's what they say, he that with God is majority. So either you're with God of heaven, you're God of Satan. If you, like Akwa, that they belong to God of Satan, they still have force. That's why they have money to influence people, so you believe and follow them. We know about many musicians. Most of them are gay, most of them are Illuminati, but people love them because of the things of this world, the wealth they show to you. You love it. You don't care to know. But it was not like that with me. Me, I came for assignment because I live in my 20 years. God gave me 20 years. So if I die now, I've been able to live 20 years and I'll be able to express myself and which I'm still doing. And I'm not dying now. There's still some work I'm going to do. So anytime I finish the work is when I'm going to go. I've died, I came back. I saw things that I've never seen. So it's different. Somebody will don't travel, go UK, like me now. What I want to go UK, go do. If I bring my passport now, UK, I live in UK, I don't enter many countries. So now you whenever travel, they think say if you go abroad, you go carry out the whole money, come back. Why do you think Obi Kubana, they know they go live there? They go there, come back. Now who know get what they do, they wrong, go abroad. We there, yeah. And Anambra State, Imo State, Abia State, Ebonyi State must be okay. Because now we go fix that, nobody go there for us. When they talk and say, like people like Governor Zoko, they expect you now to tell us, they give that advice where they bring come Anambra State, please, give it to your governor. Give it to Hope Uzodinma, Governor Zoko. Give your ID. There's a lot of DPS killing people in Imo State, in Abia State. Go there and tell them, go find them, arrest them. I told you, leave Anambra for us. Don't come and be extorting money from people. In name of you're fighting. You are the people behind those Oke-Ite. You are the J-Park. You act like say you're a good man. Which guy you are, Shalama? You're not a good man. You're not. You're just hiding. You're not hiding. They call Agwa Okuko. What Agwa Okuko got to do with Oke-Ite? Anambra State have the deities of Akida have been for decades. We know that deity have been existing. If not only in Okija, it's everywhere. It's in Lagos here. There's deities. If you go there, if you don't pay money, they kill you. If you bury that person in your house, the deity will kill more people. You have to bring the dead body there. If you want, I'll go to Lagos, I'll show you. If you go to Ayelala, you see it today. But the one I cannot support is for you to go and be killing people and put in the shrine. Because our people don't write the truth. You have people do business, you eat their money. You have people take their land. Sometimes you want to follow the God way. Except you come and meet like us, prophet that have solution, which we call us so-called, because we can do instant justice. Within 1 week, you go get solution. But many people can, if you want people, the people that are no matter if I do the prayer, if you follow me, you go to hear people, they give that testimony. Not every part of freedom. So they will even collect the land. But me, I can never ask you to go and be dragging land. Because land will be there, you die. So that is the problem. If I give you advice now, how you go do it, you no go agree. Anything that is not yours, I have no day there. You get a pray before 1 night. They hold your money. One make account, they collect the money from you. That's what you people are doing. Why the ROC is a place of justice? Can you remember when we went 100 million? You pray people while you and they pray you while you again you're crying. I pray that Anambra, in fact, Anambra already have come because the liberation. See, let me tell you what is called spiritual. I've released the autonomy bomb, which I told you that I'm going to do this year will be massive. It's called mission accomplished. If you don't believe it, I am the one that did it. The God now moved through Sorudo. This is how I work. If you don't understand what is called spiritual. Yes, you don't understand what is called. I came out, okay, how did I come with a program called Agone Chamber? And the Sorudo use that. That is the same spirit. That for you to know is my spirit that working through Sorudo. That thing I cannot do physical. They are using somebody that, because if I come and shout, they're going to tell, we will come and kill you. We'll do this one. Now they brought the force. That's how God do. God will give you problem that bigger than you. That's why I say nobody can challenge God. Who are you? And they cannot help God. It's like this. How I say, want to buy land, want to buy. It can't help God. And I tell my members, if you think that your money wants to buy land, keep up. It cannot help God. Because you're nothing. I am wealth of the nation. Tested and trusted. If I go from Ghana, give me money, if you don't money, I go there. I can be here till tomorrow, internet, for one to their life. I've never come online for like 2-3 days. Because I was doing something. I was even went to Abuja. I went to Abuja, they come back from airport. I pick airport from Abuja, coming back to this thing. So as I was coming back from airport, the person, I didn't book the online. I picked the cab that carried me. So the person go with my phone. One of my phone was inside the motor. That's why I've not come online. One of my phone was inside the motor. So what I did, I could not waste time because there's a lot of information. I have to block the line. So even if the guy, they call me now to give me the phone, he can't get me. Thank you very much for your comment. I'm crazy. Okay, no problem. Yes, you have to be crazy to do what I'm doing. A normal man can't do it because you think of your data, your life. Me and you know how risky what I'm doing is. They can't pay for it. Nobody can, even governor cannot pay me for what I'm doing, and I'm not expecting anything for you to pay me because he can't pay me. I'm doing it to save my people, which my conscience know that I never take bribe for what I'm doing. If I've taken bribe, I would have died a long time ago. Do you know how many people approach me? People approach me for America, different countries, leave this thing, leave Oke-Ite. Don't talk about it, don't talk about the trick. Do you know how many billion they promise me? But I said no. Do you know what it takes for people to come and hack your page? Do you know what it takes to? I've never hacked your page before. No matter what you say, but because of the deep secret I'm reviewing, nobody has preached what I preached in the history of man. The way I expose Oke-Ite, nobody has preached about it. The way I expose Mary, nobody has preached about it, and nobody can do it. Because it's a deep secret. Have you seen any reverend father or any reverend sister come out and challenge what I'm saying? If it's not the truth. Have you seen any doctor on camera come and challenge what I'm saying? They know what I'm saying is the truth. I know it more than them. Call that Taros. I can seize any demon. Any demon, somebody, or I can seize you. They know now. I have 1.16 million angel, no be froke, no be talk, no be joke. Go Gaba Alpha. Gaba Alpha, open now that. Nobody promise you anymore. Yeah, because that's what you believe. And if you tell you, say, they shoot me God, they say, nobody shoot me God. If I tell you, say, I have 1.16 million, they say, nobody. Because it's not for you to know. They say, flesh and blood have not been offered. They say, okay, how come, okay, not me, okay, nobody promised me. Okay, if I tell you, say, I am the one that make an Anambra state to ginger like this now, to begin to fight evil, kidnappers. Now, not me, Abi, now you. Because now you bring the agony chamber come out. So no matter what I do, you will still, no matter what you do, not everybody will like what you do. No matter how you do, they will still find one error to talk. So the thing you talk, it means nothing. Because the truth remains that the whole world was watching me and Akwa, and how Akwa go conquer me. So what happens now? Which angel? Go and ask Akwa Okuko what happened to all the arrows that they're sending to me. Go and ask Miriam Wiro, the spiritual poison he sent to me, why did he not harm me? You that is talking, you're a native doctor. Go and those your sham that are used to kill people, why you don't use them, come harm me since I don't get angel? Why? If they keep people where they for America, if they keep people where they Canada, now they keep people where they different country, now they keep people. Why when I know if he kill the video for complete how many years now? To prove that no, that God is powerless. What about that idiot that used to shout? Anybody that go inside water? I went to the water, killed the snake. I know the prophet that went into deep water and came out. The guy ran away. The only truth he says is gunshot because he saw the Thanksgiving. He looked real to you. If I didn't show you the video, you will not believe. If you didn't see the video, you will not believe. Those one that I'm saying now, there's video for it. If I begin to bring the video now, they break and down, then he may say it's acting, but it's not acting. I will show you the video. You know when they shot me, that's what you believe. But when they give me half a million billion, people are family are there. Now somebody get picking where they say make a live, make a die. A mother they are alive today, king they are alive today. I rejected it. They tell this I'm talking fraud, and they call you to give testimony. You know, get papa. Leave waiting there for spiritual. Just talk what you know. You know when they shoot me, Abi? Thank God you know that one. This one now they talk now. Another people now. You know go feel anything about me. Because that one way you know now when they do movie. Which is my last movie was 2000 and the Jadon and the Titanic 2006-7. I shot those movies. Then I now enter entertainment, I enter music. I bring up Community 2008. 8 yes. Sky B 2008-7. So the Community 2008. Then I have other things I do. So now the one what I do, you know what I do today? I go Abuja, come back, I not show you. I never make video. You thought I just because okay, I want to on camera before I go. I just came back. That's why I could not make video. I no chance. My phone I used to do like I just got a new phone. I went to Abuja on Friday. Came back. Almost there. That's why yesterday I could not come online. But yesterday was Sabbath. I could not come online. So when I came back in the evening, I want to go retrieve my line. I lost my two line, my two important lines are in one phone, my major phone that I use for this thing. But it's okay. Thank God I back up some line and I'll be able to get them back. And that's it. I blocked everything. Not everything you know about me. You know me from Hollywood. You don't know me in the ministry. You don't know me in the music industry. That is it. If you want to know me about music industry, go and ask Don Jazzy. Me and Don Jazzy don't stay like this. Go and ask P Square them. Go and ask Don Kaminti. Go and ask Tony Tutora. Go and ask all those people. Logged man them. They will tell you where I be. That is a part. Then if you come to ministry now, you go and ask Ebuko be them who I be. Ask them back at them. And that's where me and them don't get something. Talk them, go and meet them, go and ask them, they will tell you. So this one not be I'm not a normal person. Then go tell you. So that is it. My life is different. My life is if I start to tell you my life now, you're going to talk saying right, because there's so many things I know. So many things. Which is gift of God. And God knows That's why God equipped me. Sometimes I'll be writing fast. One person they do video, one person they talk, it's enough. Reason why, not that I cannot afford to pay, because of the kind of thing I'm doing. It requires holiness. How many people can keep holy? If I can't people now go to mountain one, they stay 1 week, they come back, they go. We have 7 people that went to mountain to fast 40 days and 40 nights. On the 7th day, 3 days, some 7 days, highest, one guy did 7 days, they dropped. One person died. Other person say, Amen, na Jesus. The person that died, I wasn't there. I fasted, finished. When I see I don't correct, but I now went to do. But that time we just say, let's go and fast. So we can carry power. We are 7. Before 7 days, everybody don't drop. I mean, do 21 days, finish. No food, no water. Can't do, use water, finish at 40 days. I spent 5 years on the mountain, 4 to 5 years. I sleep on the log for 5 years. So if I say Bukobi the post stone, then sleep, I will laugh. Inside house. And the sleep for mountain, snake carry enter my body, catch fire. That time where I control the fire me. Okay, if I tell you arrow they throw me last 2 years, if I show you arrows, go they throw me, go to Oji. Bukobi they do their own. Baka do his own. Oji, what native doctor. And they see them, different forces. That's why they want to put themselves to shame. In that abroad, they don't know that date I died. They want to use it to disgrace me, so I cannot go to Anambra State. So immediately I enter Anambra State, they say, I don't go Ngabara. Why didn't they go to Ngabara? Until I go, they could not find out. They look at it, I know they do competition with you. No matter how crowd you have, that your Zion or Satan will still fall. Because it's not of God. Mark it, but she bet me. The same way Akwa is falling now, the same way Ebuko Church will fall. Whether I like it or not, if you like, give 100 billion, it will go down. It's not of God. I know they talk, I know they give our man when it will come to pass. Anything I tell you must come to pass. I never give a prophecy that don't. I tell you with assurance that the son Oke-Ite is going. And I'm here to tell you that anybody that pray to Mary, you will disgrace. I know they give you prophecy that will not come to pass. I'll give you prophecy that will come to pass and you'll be alive to see it. Not 10 years. I am the first prophet to preach about brother Jesus. Will it come to pass? When I preach, I will not believe. Let the whole world know. Brought the picture. Showed it. I never said something that cannot come to, and when I say anything, it will look like it's not possible. When I say I rejected billion, it will look like I'm just talking crazy. Who is talking this? It will look like it's not. How can you say this? How can you say this? This is not it. But when I say anything, I saw Oke-Ite 2 years ago, 3 years ago, people thought I'm joking. I know what I saw. I saw when the thing crashed. That's why I keep on saying it until it happens now. Akwa have denied Oke-Ite. Just to prove to you, battle is over. See this thing, I wrote it. Battle is over. That one, they never arrested Akwa. That's how you know a prophet. Battle is over. Agune Chamber is the end of Oke-Ite. That is what is on this program. Battle is over. Okay, the battle is over. Agune Chamber is the end of what? Oke-Ite. Because Oke-Ite brought disaster, disgrace, brought criminality, brought people killing their brother, doing all sorts of things. It's not only Akwa Okuko, all of them are doing it. Because we have got people that say they use their girlfriend. We have got people that say they use their mother. We have people that say they use their sister, they use their friend. They are not only Akwa Okuko that's doing it. Most of those people are not even from Akwa Okuko, it's from other DBS. The guy that I prayed for, is his guy that went to take them to where they went to do Oke-Ite. The guy almost died. They want to run him mad. I have many people like that. I mean, I don't even they pay highest, but when they come, I say, I don't do Oke-Ite. I don't try to destroy it. If they say want to kill me, if they slap me, I will say, go bring 1 million. Yes. I know come out. I'll go to native doctor. Go out. He said, they don't go there. They don't fit do anything. One say, you do 2 Oke-Ite from. You do one for South Africa. You do one for when you're there for Benin or something. I thank God for today. God Almighty have heard the cry of David Yahweh. This is my assignment, and the assignment accomplished. One assignment I have finished. The one assignment I have finished is this. Another assignment is Mary. That one can't stop. If you like, make you not follow the page. You must go there. We're there. two things, arụsị ndị ọcha and arụsị ndị Igbo. We must destroy it. That is not Igbo tradition. That is not Christianity. Christian God is against arụsị, whether according to white Jesus or white Mary. Then Chukwu ndị Igbo, they are against arụsị, whether I call it Amadu or whatever thing. That is not our tradition. That is a false gods, foreign angels for battle. Please help me to share this speaker. God bless you. You know me from Nollywood. Before I started Nollywood, I have already done be a prophet. That one thing forget to know. But because of Nollywood is video, you saw it. But you see all the miracle that we do, we didn't video it. Because those times nobody do video. Nobody, how many times who did it? No phone now. Before you go do video, go carry camera. So now when they pray for somebody where he wants sick. And TV shall teach us that okay, not be even TV shall. And this guy, Chris Oyekremi started all those healing online. He go the video now. People they do miracle before now, you know go see video. Yes, no. You know go see video. Most of the miracle of best the host are no video. Babarola don't video. It's just recent people just do one miracle, the video it's a package it to look nice. So to look at they are very powerful. No, people have done something like that. Babarola have confronted demons. I have fought demons, kingdoms. So but that video is enough. That's why I'm making this video now. So okay now because you know me in Hollywood, you know, so you know when they shot me. That's why many people don't know. If I don't say it, that people don't know that you can survive gunshot. It's God all the way. You can survive arrow. Now, somebody said nothing like spiritual thing. How can you on phone? You're watching person in America. And if you off the phone will off. The same way you can be here, somebody will shoot you arrow anywhere. And that's why you need some people, the police wear bulletproof. Like me now, we are spiritual bulletproof. So even if you shoot me any arrow, you can't enter, you just fall on the ground. Sometimes if I talk all this kind of talk, I finish now, they don't tie yourself. They go throw me OG, they go do many things. Sometimes as snake, I will not carry my knife, cut them off. Do you know how many people I pray for? The demon that want to, like one man I pray for is a pastor, and I pray for the demon, dog want to bite me, I use knife, cut her neck. So let me end this program here. God bless everybody that wants him to be. Let me appreciate my governor. I pray for Governor Soludo and I pray for Ndagone Chamber and the Udogachi. Please, my brothers. You know, 3 days ago, I sent a message to my governor. I said, before una ne boom mado, una bukolo ya kai docha, but yana na kepu, one person ye kidnap akai docha, in release good and fine. Please, make sure you people, because the guy say, what on you make kidnap, and you 5 million, and you 10 million. It's a very big money. So, let us not kill our own brother that didn't do anything because it will bring disaster in Igbo land. Igbo land is a holy land. Any brother against killing our bro, sharing our bro, my hand is not there. My hand is not part of it. I never share blood before and I can never share anybody blood. That's why nobody can share. My blood is thicker than water. My blood is so precious that demons are looking for a way to bring me that they can't. Almost nightmare and umofeke dibia. Knife to me umofeke pastor. And nightmare umofeke zaman. And nightmare umofeke prophetess. And I don't worship us in the name of worshiping God. God bless you. Today is Sunday, which is Sun God worship. But everybody believes it's Day of God. And he left the Day of God, which is Saturday. You preach, you know the Bible, they cannot defend it. When we came now, ask the question, we say, well, we don't understand. What can you understand? What can you understand? Now you're possessing, you're putting them deep into the marine. You know the kind of power I have before. Like, I mean, if I go to water now, demons there will run away. That is how powerful I am. Once I mention Yahweh, Chukwu Kadibia, the demons down the water will go. The angel will descend. But if you don't have that energy, if you go to water, what you will attract is demon. That is it. So that you go to water does not mean you're worshiping Satan. You can worship Satan in the water, you can worship God in the water. Know this. You can worship God on the mountain, you can also worship Satan on the mountain. That's why when Jesus Christ fasted for 40 days, 49, devil also appear on the mountain to him, show him the whole world, say, serve me, I will give you everything. You see, here I was. Demon came down, queen of hell. He said I should leave people to be dying. What did I want? They will do it for me. They will build my ministry. So this chat I want to build. They will not build and finish it. But they're gonna use convoy. They buy private jets. So all those are not the movers. I am the last prophet standing with 1.16 million angels who God have sent to destroy the kingdom of darkness, to seven David. Let me see if I have my son to pray for you. Among them. All of Lagos. All of Lagos are finally disappointed. 76. Okay, for that. Everybody on the lawn. After God is government. Government, but I don't finish. Put a carry the you don't go. I met a hand on. I met a narrow. Because I want to look for something. Please help me to share. Have you shared this program? If you have not shared it, please share for me. They're reporting my page. I cannot even share. Help me to share. God bless everyone. Thank you for everyone who has shared the program. God bless you. Keep on sharing. We must make sure our neighbor must sanitize our neighbor from these evil days. Thank you very much for sharing. If I offend anyone by my word, by my things I do the way you don't like, sorry for that. But you know that no matter what I do, not everybody will like me. So I cannot please everybody. I'm here to do the will of the Almighty Yahweh, not the will of a man. I don't worship a man. I don't worship money. The only thing that he misunderstand me when I talk about your pastor or your native doctor or something. I'm a very nice person, but when it comes to serve mankind, I know they look first. Because I cannot watch you, can't watch my people going astray and I'll keep quiet. That's why I'm a prophet. Prophet with solution. I am the Anambra Liberational Prophet that came with 1.16 million angels. So that is it. I saw somebody now. I saw one of our sisters. I saw one of our sisters. But Asa South, yes. She just people and go. When I share this, my brother carry this thing, carry him. So other people ran. Why is Eke hit? Eke hit on the bush. Let me roof Eke hit. Let's see. Eke hit about going more here. How Eke hit? In the top, he with the areas like him as that. I don't say I got a West. I got a number one of me clear. Eke hit on the Lord. How Eke hit? In the top, he I don't say I got a go. I got a question of what? Eke hit. I got a question of what? So I was trying to look for a video. Okay. Eke-Ite abachago mba. Nkata ọgwụ ike. Where is Eke-Ite? You get one video where you do inside bush.
Eke-Ite ya bụrụ ọgwụ Igbo na-afụ ụfụ.
Eke-Ite ya bụrụ ọgwụ Igbo na-afụ ụfụ.
Eke-Ite ya bụrụ ọgwụ Igbo na-afụ ụfụ. Ajọ ọhụ nneru.
Get up away, man. Is your I don't see Eke-Ite page. You know, sir, I lost my phone, so I don't feel I never do. I'm gonna go see to get one more phone by tomorrow. The world must go on. Have anybody want dash me my phone? Let someone buy me iPhone 15 now. I lost my phone. No, that one support me. If you're watching this phone, want to buy my iPhone 15, I'll take it just to enhance the work of God. I lost my phone yesterday. Plus 234-903-222-6076. 0903-222-6076. In case you want to support me to get me iPhone 15, I will accept it because I'm using it to do my work. This thing you're watching now. If I say that partner, do you know how much the phone I lost? Almost $1 million now. That's it. Just what are you doing to support the movement to make sure that we continue? Because Hannah buying, but to make sure we did not continue. I want video Eke-Ite anymore. Where is that video, sir? Eke-Ite on the bush. I can't see the video. Why this my phone? Don't the video this. Go one video Eke-Ite do today. Inside, come anymore here. Eke-Ite was inside bush. I can't find that video. I want to play that video. The video make me laugh. Eke-Ite on the lawn. Eke-Ite is not a Ebata. First time I hear Eke-Ite not a Ebata Mboroguni. Eke-Ite above going away. Where is J-Park? J-Park to wear better face. I say Eke-Ite inside bush. Eke-Ite on the way. Eke-Ite inside bush. If you notice something, your voice not drop. Voice
Ana m ebe nje pụta mgbọrọgwụ n'ọhịa kịta fon marị nke ya. Mmadụ ewere si m Eke-Ite ma kwara ihe na-afịa na soshal midia na-asị na mmụ gbara ọsọ. Biko nụnụ. Ihe si ka njọ ndị mmadụ biko nụ. Onye je nwere ihe ohio na nkụ, ọ were na ihe na-anya ya arụ. Ọ ihe oyife na nkụ iji igbu nkụ anyịba ga alụ. Enwere mmụọ style na emebe vidio n'ụtọ na anọ m n'ọfịa. Anọ m n'ime ọfịa. Ebe nje pụta mgbọrọgwụ. Tankapete. Bugbura wambute. Anọ m n'ime ọfịa ebe nje ebeta mgbọrọgwụ.
Ọsọ sorudo.
So nọ narụ obe m ka mee video. Ka unu tag ara m Okongwu dibia. Tag ya J-Park. And with small broadcast.
I bet tag all those people.
Na afiji Eke-Ite egro their page. Ka unu jọrọ ha. Ma ebe a m nọ kịta, m nọ ebe m maka nọ n'ọhịa adị ebe pụta mgbọrọgwụ eji arụ ọrụ ka ụnụ jụọ ha ma ọ bụ ha ka m nọ ya ka obe m ọ kịta ka m sịra kọọlụ a n'ọhịa wee sị ka m mee vidio aji ebu mgbọrọgwụ
Eke-Ite n'ọhịa ọsọ
ọnwụ ya na-arụ n'obodo ha bụ egwu ọgwụ and ka adịka abụghị ka nke dị mma ka anyị na-eme anyị adịghị eme nke ọjọọ ma gwara ihe na-agwa ndị mmadụ ihe soro udo na-eme amaka ihe ọ chọrọ bụ ka o fopụ ata n'etiti ọka ka a hazikwa n'iyi ka ọ dị mma
ọsọ
o nwere onye a si eme na dibịa o nwerekwa na onye a na-achụ na nghọta nke mmụnwa You got one on your mother natural, on your seven at Dibia. So Abuna no Ibemu, Kamba life. I won't offer ma. Now, no, Yana, Mayana, Rodica. Bomb broke on a buy here. In the board, ya walk, boo. Come on, Abu Beke, it is by walk and keep as well. Evatra. So, I'm what ending 18 called job. And the come on, a free man away, but you want to get a walk. Shop a pass him money, you walk. Can he nature? In the Japan, a motor master. Who must have a motor? Can the plan? Can he like a
Okay, he is not turned to preacher. Okay, let me give you Bible. I come for 1 million, more million and 5. Come to Bible. More million flyer. Don't turn to pastor. Oh, you gonna give us that? Also, Brigo. Who will forget about the Lord? Can I? Oh yeah, I'm going. JPAC is now advising my governor on what to do. Also, Saludo. Let us hear from JPAC. That advisor. From beginning to the ending. I'm not going to watch and finish. Now, what will be the result? I'm just asking because getting over the new government is not. You know, it's a bullshit there. But Jepa don't turn to. Nka was I walk. I'm one who's a packet. Ogwanyona have turned to Okunyiron and Ka. He could not talk on his advisor. He have now turned to deputy advice to my governor. Okay, now they arrested his master, Akwa Okuko. He turned to preacher of good news. But whereby Anator no man up and down. Who not ebony? Remember what ebony? Yep. I know we have other ebony. J-Pack ebony man. Give 5 million over other ebony. Okay, I can't remember Akwa was disgraced because of he has no battle. He came out, go back, offers an old was money that Akwa that big can happen before you know it. A man do kidnap a bread that time. Every time I prayed for him, he came out. But I never saw appreciation. Like Oge in Dakar, that I have to fight all their battle finish. You want to come and give glory to Ebukobi. Almost well worn. See me. If I help you, you must give your testimony. If you don't that, my God will disgrace you. You don't care whether you bring your money or not, but that testimony, if I help you, you must give it. That's it. This is my own testimony. And that number of people, thank God of the Yahweh and also thank Saludo. God bless you. We don't get you. I love everyone. Shalom. Now, where's my song I want to play before? My phone don't lost. I never arranged myself. Sorry for that. Guess on, so this program now, Shukadiva program now, have helped millions of people all over the whole world. So it's a song that we normally use. Okay, I know what to do. I will play it from one of my listening. I don't care whether I put my page. I want to make $1 for Facebook. I am not making money on Facebook, so report page. I don't care. I will open no one. I have come those pages to use it to fight against evil, Oke-Ite, evil pastors, evil resume, evil prophetess. This my page is not for sale. It's not for monetization. I have sacrificed many of my page just to help Igbo. So report it. I don't care. Do anything. I don't care. I don't care. Sorry. no song. Is getting my program to be boring a bit. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching Anambra Revelational Prophet, Prophet David Akwa Okuko Tiwaraki. If I find any song, I'll go for it. Let me play this song. Power. Anambra Revelational Prophet. Oh, brother. Oba Oke-Ite, where to me get chendezio, obikabare gacheche. He was in Igbo, Oba Oke-Ite, he was in Igbo chendezio, obikabare gacheche. This is program that destroy everywhere. I go to my program. He can marry you. Then man. Life in Anambra State. Oh yeah, I go to my program. Program destroy everywhere. Oba Oke-Ite. Obikabare gacheche. Okomere, power. Anambra Revelational Prophet David Akwa Okuko Tiwaraki. Power. Oh, Agune Chamber program. Agune Chigo. Oh, program. We have to revival in Anambra State. You were asking me, we moved tonight. Razia, I can do my exit and abane. I am a Donako almost 10 o'clock in the night. We moved the whole nature. Again on the 23, 22. The God of Elijah and God of David Yahweh, God that answered by fire. So in Oba Oke-Ite, in Uduakommiri, imerano agbaga ọgwụ ọbụla egwu ọrụ bịakwa ka echichi ahụ na nke ikpeazụ a mma na Anambra State for this program to help ndị Igbo. You don't pay money to see me, but if you need a special prayer, you have to be a partner. You want to come for the program, it's free, but one-on-one prayer is partner. You pay for partner to support what I'm doing. We're spending millions in Anambra State, so be a part of this great movement that brought liberation in Igbo land. They can see I am the prophet that sent from Igbo, that brought liberation from here now, from Anambra State. We are going to Enugu State, going to Ebonyi State, we are going to Imo State, we are going to Abia State. Aba, Noji, Ayaju, Enugu State, get ready. Port Harcourt, Abuja, we're going to talk all those places, not small. But most important thing, the liberation has come. I am the prophet that God sent from Igbo. Now I have confirmed it. So keep this date. Last Saturday and last Sunday of this month. Every last Saturday and last Sunday I'll be in Anambra State just to help my people. So all the people that are calling me, I was not there yesterday. People came. So please, come on the. You can go there and worship with our people like that, but I will come myself last Saturday and last Sunday to pray for all the sick people. No Oba Oke-Ite, no otu, no bana mormon man, no different days and why no try to repent, no try to be Oke-Ite. How can we be a keep the date +234 903 222 6076. On my prophet everywhere to credit. Akajo for 1 of Igbo land. The mother have 1.16 million angels. They pray, they show. This author have here HIV. This author have here cancer. This author have here kidney problem. This author have raised many deaths. This author have make men and women billionaires. Know that I said that 2025 I'm going to make 10,000 young Igbo youth and men and women to become a multi-billionaire. What are you waiting for? Come. I'm here from the spiritual doctor, PhD. I have PhD in prophetic, in healing and deliverance, and making men to become who they are. God bless you. I want to pray for everybody that will share this telecast. The God I serve, the God of heaven, nobody lives here. Nobody lives here. It's only God that lives here. This is the house of God. That's why I say, I want to build tabernacle. Where we'll have nice a hall. I want to build tabernacle, a holy of holies. You know, this is not a church. This is a movement. It's called Gospel of Truth Anti-Prophetic Revival Movement. To liberate Igbo from kingdom of darkness, from occultic kingdom, and to bring down, to destroy witches and wizards, and to save mankind from powers of darkness. I'm here to pray for you. Under the unction of the Holy Ghost, the angels are working on this mountain. There are more than 1.16 million angels. I have angel Domino, I have Gen of Throne, I have Michael, I have Gabriel, I have Raphael, I have Uriel, I have angel, many angels. Rage, angel of fire. I have the Holy Spirit, the great one. I'm here to command any man or woman, the Almighty God kill them. Bible says in the book of Exodus 22 verse 18, it says, suffer not the witch to live. Because often he may allow that witch or wizard to live, will kill more people. That is why, as you started this Oke-Ite. And now, I can't Akwa Okuko. Not so that making can also go also. Yesterday. If I tell you you don't listen, you will learn your own hard way. Ask people that know me before now. We are not the first, we will be the last. I'm going to be there to Kadibia, A to Z production. We are not two, from beginning to end. Number one. I love you all. Shalom. Thank you for all my partners, all my fans. Everybody, God bless you. Ezane, everybody, God bless you. God bless you for what you everybody who have been watching, who have been following. Drop your comment. Let me know your thoughts. Whatever thing I say that you don't like, please bear with me. No matter what I do, not everybody will love me. I already know that one. So before I come out to do this program, I already know that this program is against some people. But I'm not saying government should kill anybody or should arrest them. Anybody that is doing evil should be arrested and put to book. And when they find out a part of kidnapper, that's my prayer for everybody. May Almighty God bless him. I know you care about him. May you free him. I pray, may Almighty God protect Igbo land, protect my governor, protect India and give them more wisdom to carry the work. It's not easy. God bless you. I see the man. Anambra Liberation Prophet David Yawachukalibia, Karamaro Karamo, who God sent to destroy the kingdom of darkness and to serve him and keep us. Shalom.